The 75-day COVID vaccination Amrit Mahotsava commenced today. The special COVID-19 booster dose drive aims to provide free precaution doses to all eligible populations at government COVID vaccination centers. The special drive is aimed to increase uptake of the precaution dose of COVID vaccine among the eligible adult population 18 years and above. The Union Health Ministry said this special COVID vaccination drive is a part of the celebration for Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. In Meghla, the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer East Khasi Hills, in collaboration with the Directorate of Health Services, launched the drive at Rinja State Dispensary, Shillong. Local MLA Charles Pinrobe attended the program as the chief guest.
Now the COVID has started again, so I think it's like everyone should again come out and give this booster shot.
Put in the booster dose, the third dose, so I prefer everyone to come forward for the booster dose. And I'm a pregnant woman, I'm 5 months, so I have given this booster dose. I wish everyone should come forward for this dose.